How to create a Viber group chat. Want to chat with a bunch of friends, family, or coworkers all at once? Viber makes group chat super easy. Today I will show you how to create one in just a few taps. Let's get started. First things first, open your Viber app and tap the Chats tab. Then tap the purple chat box icon in the bottom right corner to start a new chat. From the menu, choose New Group or Community. Now, pick up the contacts you want to add to your group. You can select as many friends as you like, the more the merrier. Once you have added your friends, tap Next. Now, give your group a fun or meaningful name. You can also set a group photo by tapping the camera icon. When you are done, tap Create. And that's it, your Viber group chat is ready. You can now send messages, photos, videos, stickers, and even make group calls. Everyone in the group will see your messages instantly. Creating a group chat is that simple. Now you can stay connected with all your friends at once. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.